Hi.
Hi.
What's this?
This?
Yes.
This is Dressmycraft Gems Kit for the month of March.
Oh, wow.
Would you like to have a look?
Sure, why not?
Come.
This month's launch from Dressmycraft is really mind-blowing. To start with, this mini cute cupcake stand will surely add a touch of sweetness to your projects. Next, we have cute scalloped oval frame, basic designer die will definitely get your imaginations up and running. Next in the lot, we have this Kidland tile transforming sheet which will surely add character and flair to your favorite kids' projects. This Kidland motif sheets comes in a pack of 2 loaded with 142 motifs will surely add life and vitality to your projects. Now this Kidland paper pack has 12 designs, 2 sheets per design in all 24 papers, is packed with cool colors, cute patterns and amazing characters will make any layout a standout. This is indeed a perfect collection for paper crafting.
So did you like the new launch from Dressmycraft? I think so. I'm pretty obsessed with the supplies.
Are you all excited to see the new creations made with these supplies? Do let me know in the comments.